Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram Blend, and let's get started. And chat to see how to use the blend. Let's see this chat, and you have to click here in this case. Okay, and click on invite and click on go to blend. I hope you like this video. Also, leave me your like and subscribe. And if you have any concerns, doubts, or something, you can put them on here in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video, guys. Ciao, ciao.